Hello and welcome back to SmartER, and today we're going to complete a video as requested by one of the subscribers to find the fuse box, the main fuse box on a right hand drive Smart 453. So first you need a 2p coin or a coin and just rotate that little locking screw and pop it out. Now when you pull this box out, you pull it from the top down. This is what it looks like when you've got it ajar. So this one's a cow. It's an absolute pain. Leave it to last. All the other ones are okay. They're not so the little switch that you press in to pull them out are not all pointing in the right direction. That's what the switch looks like. The little clip. Once you press that in, they release. So we're going to start from left to right. And the reason is, as I've already said, the green one, which is the stop start, it is an absolute pain. There is no slack at all in that wiring, and I'm really worried that it could actually come out of the pins. So just take your time, be patient, put your little thumb in those little clips. You'll see a photo in a moment of what they look like, but just take your time, work from left to right, and making sure not to stretch the wires in that green block. It will come out pretty easy, but if you're taking off the other ones, it gives you a little bit more leverage. And this is what they look like when they're out. There you go. So you can see the little clips, the little vertical long strips. That's what you're pressing in, but they're not pointing in the same direction. Always good to take a photo as well, so that you know what you're putting back where. And you might be able to remove the actual switch by pinching those clips as well. That might make it easier for you, but I didn't bother trying. It's a better view. So with all the switch cables disconnected, you can now see where the main fuse box is. Now on the left hand drives, they sit nice and neatly in a glove box, but oh no, not for us on the right. There's a good clear view for you. Now that's how far my arm goes in, quite a way. You may want to consider getting the long nose fuse removal tool. I'll put the link in the description for the one on Amazon that I found. And now it's just a case of putting it all back together, literally. But there is a knack to it, and you just do it in reverse order, so don't do what I've done here. I didn't take my own advice and didn't even think about it, but logically you just start from where you left off, so in reverse order. And you see you can't stretch that green cable. You just can't get your hands into it. Silly me. So that's it. I've got to unplug it all again. Lesson learnt. There we go. Just be patient. So now we put the green one in first. Have a breather. Compose yourself. Gather your thoughts. So pop the green one in. You see, it just makes all the difference. That little bit of extra space. And then just pop the others back where they're supposed to go. Nice and easy. And it goes. The whole switch box goes back in one particular way. So you put the bottom in first, like the heel or the bottom in first, and it sort of locates in place, and then push it in to the top. And then it's just a matter of putting that screw in with your coin, and or a large flat blade screwdriver will do it, but I think that's a bit overkill. It just pops in there, rotate it 90 degrees, and that's it, done. Perfect. Cup of tea time.